guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Janae Antoinette, as you already know, and if you don't know, now you know. Today I am back with another video. This video today is going to be a hair review. This is actually going to be a review on the hair that I've been wearing lately, which is my Glam Textures hair. I love this hair. Let me turn around. I'll let you guys see the back. So this hair is so bomb. I'll let you guys see the front. I am actually wearing a frontal in my hair. No, not a frontal. Usually I do wear frontals, but this one is actually a closure. So yes, I'm going to be answering a few questions that I get often about this hair when I'm like just out and about and people ask me about my hair, and just some of the questions that you guys ask me about my hair on my other videos. First and foremost, what kind of hair is it? Like the title says below, this is Glam Textures hair. If you don't know about Glam Textures hair, Glam Textures hair was created by Jayla and Koriyan, which is another YouTuber here. She's a beauty influencer, a blogger, an author, a mentor. She does it all. I'll be sure to put the link to her YouTube page down here. I love her. So she came, her hair is always bomb. So she ended up creating her own hair brand, and this is it. Bomb. I've been rocking her hair. I've been rocking her hair pretty much since she came out with it. In my past videos you can see an older wig that I had by her. This is newer. The specs on this hair is going to be 224 inches. So this is 24 inches of hair, a 20 inch and a 16 inch closure. Okay, so 224 inches, 20 inch, I want to say it's 220 inches, and 16 inch closure. I'm not sure. I have to check that again, so I'll put that in the description box below. This is the Brazilian wavy hair. This is not the natural curl pattern of this hair. I did wand curl this hair. This hair holds and takes a curl really good. No matter if I curl it with a wand curl, curl it with a curling iron, a flat iron, the curls always come out really pretty. Or I can flexi ride it at night and my curls will always just come out really pretty and popping. This today is the wand curl, and as you can see, the curls are very pretty. The hair is very full. It doesn't do any tangling. I don't have to put anything on it. I do put holding spray so my curls can stay all day long, but you don't have to put that on there for your curls to hold. The hair is very full, very thick. I would recommend you get 3 bundles plus your closure or their frontal. Both their closures and their frontals are really good. In my past videos I had a frontal. This time I meant to get a frontal as well, but I made a mistake and got a closure, but it's okay. It's still really cute, as you can see. I love it. What else? This hair is made into a unit for me, a whole unit, and I use Jayla's Koriyan stylist as well, which is Brandon. As you guys know, if you guys follow Jayla, she's always putting him in some of her videos. So I'll leave his Instagram in the description box below. He goes by Carter Debate on Instagram, and he is amazing. I love him making my units. I don't let anybody else make my units anymore. He does an amazing job. He cares about like what he does. He's very passionate about hair. If you're not happy, he goes above and beyond to like give you exactly what you asked for, and I love that. Like, I cannot stress like the things that he has done to make me happy when I wasn't satisfied with my units. He makes sure like you're happy and that you look bomb as hell when he's done with your unit, okay? Like, I love it. I have never met Brandon. I send all my hair to him, so we never even met each other, and yet my hair comes back amazing, and we have like established this relationship on Instagram where I think like Brandon is now my friend. Like, I cannot wait to actually meet him. So yeah, he makes all my units. I send him the hair, I send the measurements, and he makes the unit. I tell him how I want it, side part, whatever, and he makes it. This hair can be bleached and dyed if you wanted it to be. You can check out on Instagram where people have like bleached theirs and dyed theirs. Did all types of stuff to it, and it's still beautiful. She does have other textures that I'll put the link to the website below, and you can check out her other textures. She has curly, she has wavy, she has straight. She has it all, and all of it's popping, and it has a good and she has a good price too. She does run a lot of specials as well. Like right now, I think if you buy 3 bundles you can get a closure for free. So yes, it's definitely worth looking into. Another reason I like buying from companies that aren't so big yet is because to me, when it's a smaller hair company, the hair is better, like, because they're not getting the hair in the, I don't know how to explain it, but sometimes when companies just get too big, you have to worry about, are you gonna get a good batch and all of that. And right now Glam Textures is still pretty small, so yeah, the hair is still popping. I love it. I love it. I love it. It does last a long time depending on how you take care of it. I still have my other unit that I'm actually going to send back to Brandon and change the frontal out, but the unit itself is still amazing, and I had that hair going on 2 years. So if you want to see a video on that hair when I get it back, comment below so I can show you that the hair lasts over 2 years. Like, that's amazing. The same hair, and it looks just as good as this hair right here. Like, you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. Only thing is the frontal is now like trashed. It's like you know, I had the frontal for almost 2 years, so it's thinned out and all of that, so you can see all the lace. But other than that, the hair itself is still amazing. So does it last? Yes. You can wash it, blow dry it, put heat on it, dye it, and it'll still look perfect. It'll still be as if you got it day one. You can also check out my other video that I did on Glam Texture about 2 years ago when I reviewed her hair as well, and that hair was amazing too. It was a different texture. I don't really remember what texture that was, but that hair is still amazing. And if you just look at any of my past videos, Glam Texture is like the only hair that I've been wearing. I did switch over to Yummy for about a month, and I do love Yummy hair as well, but I'm gonna tell you, Glam Texture is probably up there with Yummy hair. I'm not going to lie. Like, I love Glam Texture's hair much as I love the Yummy hair, if not more. Like, Yummy hair was amazing, but if I had to choose between the two, I'm definitely going to go and pick Glam Texture's hair again, because I don't know, it's just that bomb to me. I am loving it. When it comes to customer service, the customer service is amazing. Jayla and her teams make sure to get back to you right away. If you have any questions, just email her, and her team will get back to you right away. The shipping is quick and fast. It takes about 5 to 7 business days. That's what the websites say, and that's usually how long it really takes. I never really had a problem with that either. Y'all have to check it out. If y'all want some good affordable bundles that's gonna last you a while, I'm just gonna say it's some of the best bundles that I have ever had. So I'm gonna just put that out there. And I have tried a lot of bundles. I have tried a lot of brands, and this is probably my favorite brand, hands down. A few quick tips on how I care for my hair. I usually deep condition my hair probably once every 2 weeks. And I deep condition it probably for about let it sit in conditioner for about 2 hours. I use the conditioner that comes in that blue bottle. I'll put a picture on the screen of it. But yeah, I use this conditioner on my hair. I let it sit for about 2 hours. Then I'll rinse it out, and I put it like my unit on a pants hanger, a bottom hanger, you know, the hanger with the little clips. Just sit on the hanger and air dry, and the original curl pattern just comes right back. The hair is super soft. And then usually after that, I'll add just a little bit, like a drop of Moroccan oil in my hands, rub it through my hair, and the hair looks brand new and fresh again, nice and bouncy. And you can actually just wear the natural curl pattern that it came in just out. You don't have to manipulate the curls by curling it, flat ironing it, and all of that. It looks amazing in its natural state. If y'all want to see pictures of it in its natural state, you guys can leave comments below, and I'll probably just put it on like one of my Insta stories or something, and show you that. Also, if you want to see a video on how I got these curls, put that in the comments below too. And I may do a video on how I curl my hair, but it's lots of videos out there on how to curl your hair, so mine is no different, so you can just check those out as well. Another tip I have for this hair is when I don't feel like curling it at all, but I just want it to be ready for the morning, I would just flexi rod my hair, not even curling it before I flexi rod it. I'll just put flexi rods in my hair overnight, and I'll get a pretty curl pattern in the morning as well. Or you can curl it, put the flexi rods in there, and your curls will come out amazing. It'll come out perfect. So you can do that as well. I do put a little hairspray in my hair to hold my curls, but you don't have to do that either. I prefer not to put anything in there at all because I don't want to damage the hair. But like I said, I had one of my wigs for 2 years, and I did put hairspray in it, and it hasn't damaged it. I don't put mousse or anything in my hair. I don't usually, not anymore, I don't put glue on my closures to like lay it down, because honey, these edges, they have completely left me. They have left me behind wearing frontals, putting glue on my hair and all of that. Now I'm looking for my edges with a flashlight. Where are you? Little Bo Peep, Little Bo Edge, like where are you? I cannot find you. But so I'm like on a regimen to get my hair back in a healthier state and get my edges back, because they are snatched and not in a good way. So I don't glue my hair down anymore. That's why in some of my videos you will see like the lace coming up a little bit, because I don't try to secure the wig. I am trying to get my edges back, and I'm just using my wigs as a protective style now. So no, I don't need to put any glue or anything on this one because it is a closure. But on my frontals, if I do use glue on it, I'll use a little bit of Gas-to-Be glue, and I only glue it down when I'm like going out, and I don't want everybody like all in my business, like all the scalp is peeling. Then I'll use a little bit of Gas-to-Be glue, but other than that, I don't care. It's a lace front. Everybody knows it's a lace front. Honey, you gonna see this. So yeah, I don't mess up the lace by putting any types of glues on it. To tie it down and lay it down, I may put a little bit of edge control like on it, and then I'll get a scarf. I put a little bit of edge control on it, and I'll flat iron it like really good right here where the part is. And then I'll get a scarf and tie it down probably for like 5 minutes for it to lay flat, and that's it. Another tip I have for this hair is try not to shampoo it a lot. So even though I'm conditioning it every 2 weeks, I don't shampoo it all the time. I only shampoo it once a month. And that's just because I know I put hairspray in it. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't shampoo it either. But I do want to get all the hairspray and stuff out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the hair. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video just talking about my hair, and hopefully like I answered all of y'all questions, and hopefully like this was helpful. If you were looking into Glam Textures, don't doubt yourself, honey. Trust me, you need it. Like, yes. It's really good. I love it. It's definitely worth the money. You won't regret buying it. I don't think you'll get bad bundles. The customer service is good. The shipping is good. Definitely great A hair. I love it. So if you were thinking about getting Glam Textures, go ahead and get it, honey. Like, go slay. Definitely worth it. I was not sent this hair. I bought this hair with my own money. So this is a real review. Like, I am telling the truth. Cause this hair is the truth. Okay. Y'all like, girl, you are hyping it. Yes, I do. I stand behind this hair. I love it. So yes, definitely check it out. I'll leave the link below. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you didn't subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave, because you don't want to miss all my fashion videos that I have coming up. Also, like this video and leave some comments down below. I try to answer all y'all questions, and that is it. See y'all in the next video.